Momentum Manufacturing Group was first introduced to freight farms in late 2016 by a long-standing strategic partner and customer. Momentum's initial involvement was engineering collaboration for sheet metal services. By mid-2019, our engineering efforts culminated with a redesign of major fabricated components, which led to substantial material cost savings for freight farms. Our collaboration progressed to Momentum producing fabricated assemblies for 20 units in the fourth quarter of 2019. By early 2020, it became obvious to all parties that we were the ideal supplier for more than just fabricated sheet metal. We were asked to provide a full suite of end-to-end metal and contract manufacturing solutions. We responded quickly. To support the new effort, MMG started by establishing a dedicated management resource team encompassing project management, engineering, continuous improvement, and production. We customized one of our Vermont facilities to exclusively assemble freight farm containers. The facility customization allows for 6 40-foot containers to be in production at any one time. Our approach to sequencing each container's assembly allows for steady flow and reducing congestion in the shipping and receiving areas. Through collaboration with freight farms, Momentum's continuous improvement team developed a set of detailed instructions to maximize assembly efficiency. The documentation and assembly process is extremely beneficial in the identification of previously undetected errors and flaws. We also developed an inventory management system for the 300 parts supplied by freight farms. Kanbans were established for the more than 130 fabricated sheet metal components built by us. Dedicated welding cells were also installed on the assembly floor to further streamline efficiencies in the process. Freight Farms is currently planning to ship more than 100 farms in 2021. With our investments in manufacturing process, the Momentum team is ready and capable of shipping more than 10 farms per month. This will support Freight Farms' forecast and is already positioned for an increase in demand. Freight Farms has provided high praise for the Momentum Manufacturing Group. From onboarding the project to implementation, quality, and production, Momentum has more than exceeded their expectations. From Momentum's perspective, it has been a successful team effort with excellent collaboration and commitment from Freight Farms.